Welcome to the fifth chapter of our JavaScript journey. Today we're venturing into the fascinating world of DOM manipulation and events. Let's take a look at the mysteries of document object model and discover how JavaScript interacts with it. The DOM is like a blueprint of a web page, and JavaScript uses it to breathe life into our static HTML. Let's understand its significance. Document Object Model is a program interface for web documents. It represents the structure of a document as a tree of objects, where each object corresponds to a part of the document. The DOM is the bridge between our HTML structure and JavaScript. It allows us to dynamically manipulate the content and structure of a web page. We can inspect the DOM using browser developer tools by right-clicking on a web page and selecting Inspect to explore the DOM tree. Now let's get hands-on with selecting and modifying HTML elements using JavaScript. We can use various methods to select elements such as getElementById, getElementByClassName, and querySelector. So events are adding interactivity to our websites. Let's dive into the world of handling events with JavaScript. So the concept of events is that they occur and happen on a web page like a user clicking a button or pressing a key. JavaScript allows us to listen for and respond to these events. We can attach event listeners to elements to respond to specific events. So let my button equal getElementById, which is my button, and my button add event listener and click and function and console.log button clicked. So basically what we're getting it to do is wait for my button to be clicked, and then it will show on the screen button clicked. There are various types of events such as click, input, and key down. Click is a mouse click, input is a certain key bind, and a key down is again like a key bind. So now we've just explored the world of DOM manipulation and events, and these concepts are the heart of dynamic interactive web development. In our next video, we'll put everything we've learned so far to the test by creating our JavaScript website. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.